Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, I went to some garage sales last weekend and I wanted to show you my goodies. Plus, I received one of my Creative Memory orders. So let me show you what goodies I found and then we'll do the Creative Memory order and we'll show you the new fun goodies I got. So I went to a local crop that was having a garage sale and I picked up this Creative Memory stamp. Look how fun that is. Teachers shape the future. Eat, sleep, teach, repeat. The coffee cup, the little tools, the books. Simply couldn't do it without you. How fun is that for just a thank you card? And then look at the globe and the heart. Just such a pretty set. So that was $3. I don't know how old that one is. Oh, stamp of the month. So I think this was August of 22. If I'm reading that right. And then this one here, this one caught my eye because of the ornaments. How cute is that? This one was $1. So if you can find garage sales, you can find some goodies out there. So here's a set of letters. How fun are those? Look how shiny they are. Those will be fun to use. Now this was a pack of paper, and I kind of thought that the papering here was going to go with the front paper. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have opened it. It was only $2. But I do think the paper's in here. I think it was a great way to wrap the paper up so that you didn't have to flip through them all. But you can see here, they don't really coordinate. I guess they're flowers. But some of it's older paper. Stuff that I wouldn't necessarily have picked, but I really like this first one here. So shame on me for not taking a peek inside, but I do think when you're trying to sell 12 by 12 sheets of paper, to bag it up like that is a great idea, because I think, I don't know, I'm not one to sit there and dig through the bucket of paper. Somebody had this. They did have it so that it was $1 for a bag of paper, and I think you could put 10 sheets in it. So I just grabbed this one sheet. So we're going to take the grandchildren to Disney, and I can't wait. We're going in a couple days. We've got to get the suitcases packed. But I thought this paper would be really fun, and I can use that on a layout. And then this was a set. If you remember this Scrapbook Generation, I think they still sell stuff, but it's not a monthly subscription anymore. But I've made this one with this paper, and I love this Simple Stories. So that was $3 for that kit. So love that. I know that I will use those papers. And then we ran down to Circleville, and there's a scrapbook store there called Creative Chaos. And she had some tables set up as a warehouse sale, and they told us that in May, I think it's May 15th and 16th, they're having another warehouse sale, and it'll be much more than what they had set up this weekend. So got some goodies there. She had a lot of 49 and Market half off, so that was good. Might have even been more than half off. This pack was $4, and there's 18 sheets in here. So love these colors. And this one was Photo Play, and it was $10 down from $16. So love that one. Just fun paper. Now this one was not on sale. This was an Easter pack that, of course, caught my eye, which is why she's getting us in the store, right? So I do not have much Easter paper. If you watched my sheet load of cards, I didn't have a lot of 12 by 12 Easter paper. So I'm always doing Easter layouts. So, and that's Easter's right around the corner. So I bought this fun pack. I love Echo Park and Photo Play. So this one's by Echo Park. So if you haven't been to the Echo Park website, sign up for their emails, because they have sales all the time on their big paper packs, some of their older paper packs, so you can get a really good deal there. And then I decided to buy these 2 sticker sets too, because I'll be probably going to make a little book for the boys from our trip. But I can use these in my book too. So I've got plenty of Disney and sticker paper now. So this was a cute little pack here from Simple Stories. This wasn't on sale either, but I just loved it for all the little journaling cards. So, and don't they always get us with the typewriters and the cameras and the little goodies? So I thought that would be fun to decorate a page with. And then we found these. So I'll insert a picture. These are washi tape, and they actually don't look like much. I mean, you can't tell it. Look at that roll. So these were $6.99. Here's another one. These are from a company that's in the UK. It's called All and Create, and All is spelt with 2 A's. And it's called, it says Layer It Up, and it's got a number on it. So what she had there in the store was she had samples of these cards made up. So I'll insert the pictures here. But they told us that there's a lot on them. So my friend and I are going to split these rolls. We'll probably get together and make these cards. But yeah, it's washi tape that pieces together and makes a picture. So how fun is that? And the cards just look so cute. I think the trick is going to be to get some nice paper to put them on. I think you can't just put them on white or cream paper. It's fun to put them on a paper almost like this 49th and Market. So one of the rolls that my friend got was flamingos. So that's going to be so fun on there. So we'll see how they turn out. The cards are really cute, and I really like when the stores have samples, because then you can see what what the final product's going to look like. Because looking at these rolls did nothing. Like, I wouldn't have grabbed these. I just don't buy washi tape. So that'll be fun. Let me grab my Creative Memory box. Okay, this order came really quickly. I am a Creative Memories advisor, but I'll have links down below to my site. But if you know someone in your area, please put your order through them and support them. But yeah, I was excited to get the next quarter's order of the Simple Page Kits. And then I'm slowly stocking up on the 12 by 12 papers by Creative Memories. So this one's called Dark Sea Green. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that color. And Hot Fudge. I go through a lot of brown paper. So that one. And then I got some gray. So I go through white and black and brown a lot, and then I thought gray would be a good option too. So those were my paper packs that I got. And then the pack, here's the, it's the next quarter of the Simple Page Kits. So if you've seen my videos where I've put these together, what's nice about these Simple Page Kits are you get 2 background papers and then a cut apart paper, and then it makes this layout. And I think they're $6 each now. But they make a beautiful 2-page layout, and then they come with a thing of stickers too. So how fun is that? So I think that's very economical to put together an entire scrapbook page. And it's just such a beautiful layout. So I think you learn a lot by putting them together. And then you can kind of do that style with your own papers too. So how fun is that? They start with these fun background papers and then the cut aparts. So they're fun to put together, and then they're just an excellent way. So this is the 4th one. So here's kind of the April spring look. And I'll probably add some bunnies on it or something to make it Eastery. And then here's number 5. So that'll be for like Mother's Day. So how fun is that? And then here's number 6. So like I said, it's the next quarter. So there's a June one. And there's something about the colors of the paper. Their colors are just such a special hue that they go with everything. And then what's fun about getting the quarterly set is they include these blue folders, and they're numbered. So I'm going to use these folders in the future as a way to assemble a large album. So in other words, I'll print my photos, pull my paper, and then I'll have that together, and then when I go to a crop, I can simply just work my way through these folders. So love that idea. So I've got 4, 5, and 6 now to go with my other ones. And then when you buy the quarterly one, they also throw in these exclusive stickers, right? So here's some spring ones. There's the Easter stuff. And then there's some summer stuff with fishing. How cute is that? So I can't wait for the grandsons to pull out the fishing poles this summer. We did it a little bit last summer. So I'll be able to do a layout with that. So their subjects are very, you know, they're generic enough that you can use them for all your layouts. And then because I put my order in on April 1st, I didn't know this was coming, but they had a little April Fool's joke. They had a video, maybe I'll link to the video below, where they were saying that they had invented this new technology of scratch and sniff paper, and this one's supposed to smell like dill pickles. So it's a really funny video. But they included these layouts in there. Now, I don't know why I got 2. I don't know if they packed it wrong. I don't really have a use for, maybe I'll have to create some photos of the kids eating pickles. How fun is that? But again, I mean, I would say that the colors are generic enough. I don't really have to make it about pickles. But isn't that a fun, cute layout? And I wasn't expecting this. This was something that they added in. So, like I said, I don't know why I got 2 of them. But I wanted to show you, I have my little, I'll have to look up what this thing is called. But this has the top on it with the handle. I currently have it apart. It hooks on with these buckles. I simply have it sitting up on my desk. And then what I did was I created these cardboard inserts here. So I've got a thing here called Page Kits. So I've got my idea book, I've got some stickers in here, I've got my planner pages for when I insert those into my albums. But then I have my page kits. So I have assembled January, February, March that I ordered from this year. And then I had also bought the kits from last year. You can buy all of last year's simple page kits, because I didn't sign up to be a demonstrator until October. So I was glad I could go back and buy all of last year's. So I have my page kits in here, and the idea is that if you don't have them out and about so you remember that you have them, you know, you're never going to use them. So I've got them right in here so that I can pull them out for all my different themes that I'm going to make. Look, this was the December one. How fun is that? Isn't that cute? So it's got the Merry Christmas and the hot cocoa. So, like I said, I love their colors. If you like their style, then I think you'll like those page kits. And then I've got some other stuff in here. I've got some paper sets. Again, I've got all my Creative Memory stuff with me, so that when I go to a crop, I can take this with the lid and have my papers with me. So, love that. Now this one is in the style of the polka dots. And yeah, I love that it's got the lid on it. It's all contained, easy to carry and take to a crop. So I'll have links to these products in my blog post, and I'll have that link down below in the description. So yeah, I was excited to show you the goodies that I got. It's always fun to just get a new batch of fun new toys to play with in our craft room. And yeah, so I hope you pull out something that you recently bought, because I think we buy these things and we don't use them. So pull those things out and make something fun. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.